Ever struggled with flimsy tongs that just don't grip right or take up too much drawer space? Imagine having a pair of kitchen tongs that not only handle everything from steaks to vegetables with ease but also store neatly thanks to a clever locking mechanism. These 12-inch tongs made from premium 18/10 stainless steel are designed to make your cooking smoother and your cleanup simpler. I've been using these tongs for months, and they've quickly become my go-to utensil. What stands out is the smart one-handed locking system. Just point the tongs down and squeeze to open. Point them up and squeeze to close. It's intuitive once you get the hang of it, and it saves precious time when you're juggling multiple tasks in the kitchen. The sturdy build feels solid in hand, while the silicone grips provide comfort and won't scratch your pans, even when handling hot foods up to 260 degrees Celsius. Cleaning is a breeze too. Toss them in the dishwasher, and they come out spotless without any rust or residue. Their ergonomic design ensures safe handling, reducing the risk of slips or burns. Whether you're flipping sausages on the grill or serving up a fresh salad, these tongs deliver reliable performance every time. If you're looking for durable, versatile tongs that combine smart design with everyday practicality, these are worth a look. They bring efficiency and ease to your cooking routine without cluttering your kitchen drawers. Try them when you're ready to upgrade your tools and experience the difference in quality and convenience.